Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Smart Life not working with Google Home, relink sync devices and fix errors. Fix 1. The quick voice sync. If your devices worked before but are suddenly unresponsive, Google's server token may have desynced. Say to your Google Assistant device, "Hey Google, sync my devices." Fix 2. Unlink and relink your account. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus or add icon present in the top left corner. From there, select Setup Device, then tap Works with Google. In it, search for Smart Life, then tap on it and choose Unlink Account. Once the account is unlinked, tap the Smart Life again and log in using your Smart Life / Tuya credentials to reauthorize the link. 6. 3. Rename devices or room. If your devices are linked but won't execute commands, it is often caused by a glitch in Google's Home categorization. Simply open the Smart Life app and give your devices a slightly different or entire new name. Then return to Google Home, sync your devices and see if the newly named devices respond. Fix 4. Troubleshoot network incompatibilities. Smart Life devices require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi router combines 2.4 and 5 GHz into a single network with one name, it can cause devices to drop offline. So try restarting your router using its power cable. And if you have access to your router's admin settings, temporarily disable the 5 GHz band during the pairing process or create a separate 2.4 GHz guest network. Fix 5. Clear app caches. Go to your phone's settings, then go to apps. In it, select the Google Home app and Smart Life app individually. Then tap on Storage and Cache and select Clear Cache for both the apps. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.